Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to discuss the method of transmitting and receiving information using visual signaling of single letters specified in the International Code Signal or ICS. Communication is very important in the maritime industry because ships at sea must exchange information clearly and quickly. Sometimes radio communication may fail, there may be language barriers, or emergency situation may happen. Because of this, the International Code of Signals was developed to provide a standard system of communication used by ships all around the world. So the International Code of Signals allows vessels of different nationalities and language to communicate using radio signals, light, sound signals, and radio signals. One of the most commonly used method is visual signaling through single letter flags. What is the International Code of Signals? The International Code of Signals, also called ICS, is an international recognized communication system for maritime use. It was created to promote safety at sea, prevent accident and collision, improve communication between vessels, provide communication during emergencies, overcome language differences among seafarers. The ICS is recognized by International Maritime Organization or IMO and used by merchant ships, naval vessels, coast guards, and fishing vessels worldwide. The code contains alphabet flags, numerical pennants, substitutes flag, Morse code symbols, and medical distress signals. Each signal has a specific meaning, understood internationally. What is visual signaling? Visual signaling is the transmission of message through visible objects or movement states of spoken communication. In maritime operation, visual signaling includes signal flags, semaphore flags, flashing lights, and ships and symbols. Ships are use visual signaling when radio communication is unavailable. Silence must be maintained. Communication is needed over short distance. Emergency situations occur, language barriers exist. Visual signals are very important because they can easily be recognized even from far distance.
Single letter signals. In the International Code of Signals, every alphabet flag from Alpha to Zulu has a specific meaning when used alone. These are called single letters signals. Single letter signals are mainly used for navigation warnings, safety communication, emergency situation, vessel maneuvering, operational information. These signals allow fast and clear communication between vessels. Examples of single letter signals. Alpha, I have a diver down. Keep wheel clear at slow speed. The alpha flag is colored white and blue. It is used when divers are underwater near a vessel. Other ships must reduce speed and stay away to avoid accidents. This signals protects divers and prevents injuries underwater. Bravo! I am taking in, discharging, or carrying dangerous goods. The Bravo flag is red in color. It warns nearby vessels that hazardous materials of dangerous cargo are present. It helps prevent accidents involving flammable or dangerous substances. Charlie, yes or affirmative. This signals is used to confirm agreement or understanding of a message. It provides quick confirmation during communication. Delta, keep clear of me, I am maneuvering with difficulty. The Delta flag has yellow and blue colors. It is used by vessels that cannot maneuver easily. This signal helps prevent collisions at sea. Hotel, I have a pilot on board. This signal informs nearby vessels that the ship is already assisted by a harbor pilot. It helps identify vessels under pilot guidance. Oscar, man overboard. This is the one of the most important emergency signals in maritime operations. It indicates that a person has fallen into the sea. It immediately alerts nearby vessels to begin rescue operations. Papa, in harbor, all persons should report on board as the vessel is about to proceed to sea. This signal is commonly used before departure from port. It informs crew members and passengers to return to the vessel. Quebec. My vessel is healthy and I request pratik. Free pratik means permission for a vessel to enter port after health inspection. It is used for health and quarantine procedures. Shera, I am operating astern propulsion. This means the ship is moving backward. Nearby vessels are warned to stay alert because the ship's movement may change suddenly. Victor, I require assistance. This signal shows that a vessels need help. It is used during emergencies or difficult situations. Golf, I require a pilot, is a specially trained person who assists ship entering or leaving ports. This signal informs authorities that pilot assistance is needed. Hotel, I have a pilot on board. This signal informs nearby vessels that the ship is already assisted by a harbor pilot. It helps identify vessels under pilot guidance.
Methods of transmitting ICS signals. Number 1. Signal flags. Signal flags are the most common method of visual signaling. Each flag represents a letter, a number, or a complete meaning. Flags are usually raised on the mast of a ship where they can be clearly seen. Advantages: easy to recognize, internationally understood, useful during daylight. Disadvantages: difficult to use during bad weather or darkness. Number 2, flashing light signaling. Ships use flashing lights to transmit Morse code signals, especially at night. All these lamps are commonly used for this purpose. Advantages: effective at night, useful for over long distances. Disadvantages is requires knowledge of Morse code. Number 3, semaphore signaling. Semaphore uses two handheld flags moved in different positions to represent letters. This method is mostly used for training and emergency communication. Advantages: no electricity needed, useful for short distances, and disadvantages: slower compared to radio communication. Importance of visual signaling. Visual signaling remains important even with modern technology because radio system can fail, may lose power, language differences may exist. Emergency communication must still continue. Visual signaling provide fast communication, clear instructions, international understanding, increased maritime safety. It is still taught in maritime schools and training center because it remains an essential backup communication method. Role of ICS in maritime safety. The International Code of Signals plays a major role in maintaining safety at sea. It helps prevent ship collisions, support rescue operation, communicate emergencies, coordinate ship movements, ensure smooth port operations. Without a proper communication, accidents and misunderstandings can happen easily at sea. Ang advantages of using ICS is internationally recognized, easy to understand, useful for during emergencies, helps overcome language barriers, supports safe navigation, reliable backup communication system. In conclusion, the International Code of Signals is an important communication system used worldwide in maritime operations. Through visual signaling and single letter signals, ships can transmit and receive important information clearly and quickly. These signals improve safety, prevent accidents, and help vessels communicate effectively even without radio communication. Every seafarer must understand the proper use of ICS because it plays a vital role in protecting lives, cargo, and ships at sea. And again, we are discussing the method of transmitting and receiving information using visual signaling of single letter signals in International Code of Signals. We hope you learned how important ICS is in maintaining communication and safety in maritime operations. Thank you for listening.